Settling motorcycle accidents is complicated. Usually, there's bigger injuries and there's a different bias against motorcycle riders by insurance companies. When do you need to have a lawyer in these types of cases? Well, here's a couple scenarios. Number one, if it's a complicated liability type of case, you need a lawyer to be the one that advocates for you. Secondly, if you have any sort of injuries that are serious, permanent, lasting, you need to do that as well. The insurance companies look at these types of cases in a biased way against you as the motorcycle rider. As a motorcycle rider, you are a very vulnerable person when you're riding. You have no protection from an outer shell of a vehicle. And so any tap or any type of aggression towards the vehicle, inclement weather, that type of thing, leaves you vulnerable. You want to make sure that you have a lawyer on your side to explain what exactly you were doing on the date of the crash, not exactly what you were doing wrong. So, do you need a lawyer for a motorcycle crash? If you have a serious injury, yes, you do. So, when should you hire a lawyer after a motorcycle injury? Well, the first thing you want to make sure is if you have a serious injury, that is, you had to go to the hospital seeking treatment for months and months, you have a permanent injury, you likely need a lawyer to deal with these types of cases. Secondly, if there's a liability issue in which there needs to be some finesse to the situation, that is something that you can't explain yourself, and you'll need an advocate to deal with those issues, you need a lawyer. So typically, if you're missing work because of this injury, and it's going to be a long-lasting type of issue, you also need a lawyer to advocate for you. You see, insurance companies deal with motorcycle riders and their as policyholders differently than they would for other vehicles. They're trying to protect their insurance company money and not you. Make sure that you have someone on your side in this type of case. How can a lawyer help you in a motorcycle accident case? Well, the first thing they'll do is put you on a level playing field with the insurance company. You see, insurance companies are in the litigation business. This is all they do is use the courts and the system to make sure that their rights and assets are protected. So when you bring a lawyer in that handles these types of claims, and that's all they do, you're on a level playing field. Typically, a lawyer will make sure that, number one, that the insurance company is notified that they represent you and you no longer have to be one-on-one with the insurance company. They'll shield you from a recorded statement until you're ready to give one. Thirdly, they'll gather all the evidence that you need to pursue your case. That is, they'll document the scene, they'll take photographs, they'll make sure that all of the evidence is protected, the motorcycle, the other vehicles, electronic type of information in the vehicles. They'll try and locate any cameras in the area. They'll make sure that they'll write letters on your behalf that say the types of things that need to be said to insurance companies. Another thing that a lawyer can do in your case is he or she can file a lawsuit on your behalf. They can use the legal system to protect your rights. And it's your right. You pay taxes for the court system. The lawyer is just using this system to help you seek the most amount of money that you can in your lawsuit that you're entitled to. The other part of it is the costs. Lawyers in this field are paid on a contingency fee basis. That is, they don't get paid unless you win. So there is no actual cost for an attorney's fee. There will be costs associated with out-of-pocket costs. The amount that is used to file the case, to hire experts, to obtain medical records, other out-of-pocket costs. And typically the lawyer in Illinois will front those costs and they'll be repaid out of the recovery from the insurance company. If you're in a motorcycle accident, make sure that you don't handle this alone. Make sure your rights are protected and we'll be behind you. If you need a lawyer to represent you in a motorcycle accident case, we've handled a number of them. We're experienced at handling them. We know the issues that are involved. Please let us know if we can provide that service to you. You can reach out to us at 312-578-9501. And what will we do? Well, we'll give you a free consultation. We'll make sure that we answer your questions, and we'll let you know the applicable law with respect to motorcycle accidents in Illinois.